Declaration on Advancing Inclusive and Sustainable TVET in Africa. We, the participants of the Don Bosco Tech Africa Annual Stakeholders Assembly 2025, meeting in Nairobi from 22nd to 26th September, affirm our commitment to transforming technical vocational education and training into a driver of dignity, innovation, and ecological sustainability, inspired by Agenda 2063, the AU TVET strategy, the SDGs, Laudato Si, the Salesians of Don Bosco GC29 final document, and the DBTA Strategic Plan 2025-2029, we declare the following.
Reconhecemos que os sistemas africanos de educação e formação técnica e profissional possuem um imenso potencial transformador. No entanto, barreiras persistentes em termos de acesso, financiamento, qualidade, relevância e governança continuam a limitar esse potencial, apesar das reformas já empreendidas. Portanto, reafirmamos a urgência de enfrentar esses desafios sistêmicos para tornar a educação e formação técnica e profissional um motor de crescimento inclusivo e desenvolvimento sustentável.
Nous envisageons des systèmes d'FTP inclusifs tournés vers l'avenir qui dotent tous les apprenants de compétences pertinentes, flexibles et adaptées à l'apprentissage tout au long de la vie, en cohérence avec les aspirations de l'Afrique, selon l'agenda 2063, l'ODD 10 sur la réduction des inégalités et l'ODD 4 sur l'éducation de qualité.
We undertake to guarantee equitable access for women, persons with disability, displaced populations, and marginalized communities. Furthermore, we acknowledge the informal sector integral to the provision of livelihoods and accordingly commit to expand recognition of prior learning, ensuring that all acquired skills are duly recognized, validated, and accorded full value across the continent.
Guidés par Laudato Si, nous déclarons notre engagement en faveur des objectifs de développement durable numéro 7 et numéro 13, en intégrant les compétences vertes dans le domaine des énergies renouvelables, de l'économie circulaire, de l'agriculture durable et de la résilience climatique. Nous déclarons en outre notre engagement à adopter la transformation numérique dans les opérations, l'enseignement, l'apprentissage et la certification afin d'équiper les jeunes pour l'avenir du travail.
We hereby declare our commitment to collaborate with governments in enacting enabling policies, with employers in recognizing workers certified through recognition of prior learning, with partners in aligning their support to African priorities, with technical and vocational education and training institutions in pioneering inclusive and innovative models. Guided by the spirit of synodality, we further affirm the principles of participation, accountability, and collaborative governance.
We hereby declare our commitment in collaboration with key partners to develop systemic, sustainable, and inclusive mechanisms that advance adaptable recognition of prior learning frameworks, foster cross-sectoral partnerships among governments, industry, faith-based actors, and civil society, to mobilize resources in alignment with Agenda 2063 and the Salesian mission, in line with the call of GC29 of equipping young people with skills for work and life and promoting evidence-based decision-making.
Our call to action. We call upon governments to enact inclusive policies, strengthen recognition of prior learning, and mainstream green and digital skills. We call upon industries to recognize informal skills, expand apprenticeships, and create decent and sustainable jobs. We call upon partners to support African-led TVET reforms and foster innovation. We call upon TVET institutions to champion inclusive pedagogy, scale RPL, nurture ecological literacy, and invest in reskilling and upskilling trainers to ensure quality and relevance. We call upon youth and marginalized groups to embrace TVET as a pathway to leadership, innovation, and resilience. We further call on the establishment of a robust information management system to capture stakeholder-related data and institutionalization of quality management practices that enable effective transition, knowledge sharing, and organizational continuity.
In conclusion, we reiterate our commitment to advancing inclusive, sustainable, and transformative TVET in Africa, empowering people, protecting the planet, and building prosperity for all.